This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, active ventilated and heated front seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, blind spot assist, commercial-free satellite radio, a front and rear multi-link suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, cornering lights, traction control and stability control systems, LED headlights, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, a first aid kit, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.